I'm in the middle of a full-blown panic attack. My pulse is probably like 120 right now. It's a trout. It's a trout. Feeling like I can't breathe. So this keeps happening to me. This is part of the problem I'm having with the thyroid issues that I've talked about in my other videos for a few years now. And one of the reasons I haven't uploaded is because I keep having to deal with stuff like this. And I went to a pain management specialist, and he said that it's costochondritis and fibromyalgia, which I completely disagree with. I don't think it's that at all. It's probably the costochondritis because it hurts to touch sometimes, but it feels like it's connected to my neck. It's hurting my chest. So the reason I'm having a panic attack is because when I get this pain, it feels like what I would imagine a heart attack feels like. And again, I've been getting this for years now. Go to the hospital, I get EKGs, I get cardiologist checkups, and everything you could think of, and they're like, oh no, nothing's up. They're like, your thyroid's a little wonky. I'm like, no shit. So, I just have to stop every now and then. I guess the camera is, okay, yeah, the camera's there. So I just have to stop every now and then and try to tell myself that the pain is not anything dangerous. It's just pain. It's scary pain, but it's not dangerous. So I'm gonna keep doing this and just try to chill for a few minutes. But yeah, this thyroid stuff is no fun. It puts me out of commission for a while every now and then. So if some of you are wondering why I don't upload so often, that's why. I'm in and out of doctors' offices and specialists and all that. But when I can do these big trips like this, record as much as I can, and really helps. These trips really help my spirits. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. I know some people have been asking for some kind of health update, so I guess I'll throw this in. This is me in a panic attack. I used to actually faint from this. I faint like that, just out. But that was also the thyroid. Before I had my thyroid out, it was producing too much suddenly, and I would pass out. But now I just get these stupid-ass panic attacks that really scare me. But I'm dealing with a lot of pain. I have muscle relaxers, but I don't want to take muscle relaxers driving around. So I took 2 Tylenol, and I'm just gonna hang out and drive until it passes, I guess. And anyway, that's health update in Burlington, Vermont. All right, back to the road. So, I mean, this tent is big enough to fit two, what is it, queens?
At least.
2 queen air mattresses and still have all that room.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I could set up my desktop computer in here and play World of Warcraft or...
Yeah, I was thinking, I mean, once we actually get settled at a site, I wanted to bring stuff in. The woods a little bit, where our creek lets out, is this. Looks like a really good swimming hole.
So I'm gonna show you guys how I put my spinner on the line and what kind of knot I use. I don't know what the knot's called, but this one is super easy and really effective for keeping the fish on. So you put it through, you grab both ends and the tag end through the loop, and I give it a little bit of extra length. And I pinch the tag and then pull. And that makes a super nice little knot. Try over here. Try up this way. It's a good way to get the line caught. Try anyway. Man, look at that. Look at that spinning. Alright, I'm gonna try. Kind of stinks that the water's running this hard. I don't really see any spots that are not crazy. So no luck here. It's midday right now. It's really hot too. I'm gonna come back and try when it's a bit cooler. Maybe the water's a little bit not so rough. Try this afternoon or maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see. I really like this river though. It's amazing.
It's so clear. Shit.
Got it.
Hey, look at that guy.
Alright, so I'm gonna go back to camp, put this little guy on the fire, cleaned him up. He's a pretty fish.
got that fire going really quick. And he's got the local protein as well. A little brookie with beautiful red spots. Look at that. I don't even remember.
What's that?
I'm losing track. When the last time we actually resupplied was?
About a week ago?
Yeah.
7 days ago? 8 days ago? Oh, I still got my flies in my pocket.
With the exception of the honey and vegetables.
I didn't actually show the flies.
Little spinner.
I'm gonna eat him with some Widobo. I'll try it. We bought a little container of it. So he's actually tiny bit greasy still. I think he's good to go. Cook it a little extra just to be safe. And there's gonna be little bones in here, I'm guessing. And try some of the tail too. That is really, 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 really good. Let me cook them a little more. Crunchy. Let's see, did I cook them right? Well, that broke. There we go. Looks like I cooked them perfectly.
Nice.
Yes, look at that. Excellent. Excellent meat.
Oh, that looks good. Try some.
Alright, let me get a chair. This whole spine is out. Taste this little morsel. Going.
Ooh, that one got bad. Okay.
I got my little project table from, I don't know, a week ago. And it's still holding up. Got my food on it, got my cheese on it, got my adobo on it. And eat a little brook trout. That is freaking delicious. Wow. I wish I caught a bigger one.
Have you tried the blah, blah, blah. Have you tried the skin?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. I really wish I caught a bigger one. This is delicious.
I guess we'll just have to go back tomorrow and catch like 10 more.
That's a wild meal. That's tasty.
Chicken is almost done too.
Okay. Hopefully I got all the bones. Looks like yes. Little crunch.
Calcium.
So, I don't know if the skin's supposed to be cooked more. Still a little. So I'm even going to eat the guy's skin. That reminds me of something. It reminds me of something. Wow. I did not char it. It's still... That is good. That is good. Yep, need more of that. That fish is gone. I left a little bit for Leah to pick up. She wanted to taste it.
Oh, I did. It was good. Like, really
You
good.
had it already?
Yeah, I tried a little bit.
Oh, that. Okay. What'd you say now?
I said I tried it. It was really good.
What do you got? Steak.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going to try kombucha. Let's do it with one hand. Alright, here we go.
Man, that is hot. That's a hot fire.
It's funky. Follow your gut and chill. It's juicy, tender. Tastes really fresh. I was gonna do some more of that squash and zucchini that we picked up, but this was already way too much. So I'm gonna clean up and support local farms.
Mountain ice water.